What's up everybody? In today's video I'm going to be matching my makeup to my tie-dye. So if you guys want to know how I did this dramatic look, keep watching. Be right back. Hola mis amores, welcome back to my channel. For all those who are new here, hi everybody, my name is Sarah and I post videos every Friday and Tuesday related to makeup tutorials, tips and hacks, skincare and product reviews, and sometimes fashion. So if it's your thing, consider subscribing and also turn on that bell notification and stay tuned. And if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And for my subscribers, I have changed the days that I'm going to be posting. So instead of Mondays and Thursdays, I'm going to be switching it to Fridays and Tuesdays. Without wasting any further time, let's jump right into the video. This is so good. It's like magic in a bottle. I'm using the Paris Hilton perfume that I just got my hands on and it's amazing. Alright you guys, so let's start this. I've already applied my foundation. I use the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour foundation and then I use my Real Techniques foundation brush to do the application part. So let's jump into my eye makeup. So for priming, I'm going to use my e.l.f. camo concealer and I'm going to be doing that off camera and be right back. Okay, so I'm done with priming. So now I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution Maxi Reloaded palette as usual, and I'm going to be using this shade over here, and I'm going to be using it on my inner corners. I'm going to be using an angled brush to do the same. I'm going to use my mirror. Okay, let's do this. So just see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna apply it here. Okay, so now both the eyes are done. So now I'm going to jump into this pretty pink shade over here. And I'm going to just apply it over here. Okay, so now I'm going to use this yellow color over here and yellow shade over here, and I'm gonna do the same thing that I did with the others. Just gonna create a line here. Now I'm going to use this greenish shade over here and do the same thing like I did with the others. I'm gonna dab this on my outer corners. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and use this shade over here, this pretty blue shade over here. So I'm going to be creating a winged shape with this shade. We are going to like clean this up a little with the concealer. I'm going to make it even more sharper. So I'm going to go ahead and intensify all these colors again. So I'm going to dip into the same shades and do the same thing. Okay, so for my inner corners, I am going to jump into this. I'm going to dip into this white shade over here, and I'm going to use that for my inner corners. So I'm going to take my concealer, put some of it on my hands, and now I'm going to take an even more angled brush and I'm going to use this to define my winged effect that I've tried to create with the eyeshadows instead of going ahead with the liners. I'm just gonna clean this up. Make sure to be really, really careful doing these. You don't want to mess up. I'm also going to like define this winged effect that I've tried to create with the eyeshadows. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this angled brush and the concealer, and so I'm going to like define this area with my concealer, and I'm going to create another winged effect above this one. Okay, and what I'm going to do on that part is I'm going to be using my glitters. So I'm using the e.l.f. liquid glitter eyeshadow, and I'm using it in the shade Flirty Birdy. That's a nice name. And I'm going to apply this on the above portion. So I'm gonna use my beauty blender, and I am going to blend in this concealer that I put. So now that we have got both the eyes are done, you can see. Now what I'm gonna do is grab my eyeliner, and I'm using the Lakme Insta liner, and I'm going to create a wing using this. So I'm done with this liner part. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use my concealer. So I recently bought this Milano Conceal Perfect, and I'm loving this concealer. So I'm gonna use this. So I'm going to be mixing it with my e.l.f. concealer in the shade Tan Walnut. And yeah, I'm using the shade Medium Beige for the Milano one. Okay, so for my lower lash line, I'm going to go ahead and use this brown shade over here, and I'm going to use this for my lower lash line. And I'm also going to be using the e.l.f. glitter on the middle part of my lower lash line, like just here. So our eye makeup is done. Now I'm going to use my e.l.f. blush palette in the shade Light, and I'm going to use this shade over here, and I'm using my angled brush. And then as a contouring shade, I'm going to go ahead and use that one. So for my lips, I'm going to be using the Manna Beauty Simplified Lip Locked Priming Lipstick. It's in the shade Karma, that means it's blood red. And I am going to use this one. So very glossy shade. So I'm using my Morphe Mini Highlighter in Spark, and I'm using this contour brush, and I'm gonna use this for my, oh, it's a very nice brush indeed. I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. I already did that, just gonna darken that a bit. So for my mascara, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline New York, the Falsies Lash Lift Mascara, and I'm gonna be using that. Alright you guys, so I'm done with my look, and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. There are more makeup series coming your way, and where I'm gonna be, you know, matching my makeup to random things. So I'm gonna be doing that series as well, so it's gonna be coming your way too. And please let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about this video, and also what you want me to do in the future upcoming videos. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much. I'll be back on Tuesday Till then, bye bye.